Hello everyone, welcome back to our craft videos. Today I will be showing you some simple easy peasy crafts using different craft items. So first we are making a bicycle, make its wheels, body and its seats. Stick all of them together like this and it's ready. Next we will make a cart. For that you have to take these sticks and then paste them one by one like these. Now make its cart base, now make its handle, stick its wheels using the water bottle caps and your cart is ready. Next, we'll be making a beautiful boat or a cute art boat you can say. For that you need an empty plastic bottle like this. Fix these sticks on these sides using the rubber bands and it's ready. Next we will make a tricycle. For that you have to take these sticks, paste them like this one by one. Use the water bottle cap to make its wheels. Stick them using glue gun like this. Now make its back wheel and it's ready. Next we will make a table. For that you have to stick the sticks like this on both the sides, join them one by one. Now we will make its legs, stick it and it's ready. Next we will make a wall hanging like this. So first you have to stick these sticks together. Now paste them on the wall like this. Now fix these sticks. Stick a paper cup, cut it like this and then fix the stick on its back. Now paste it as shown in the video. Cover it using the jute thread like this. Now fixing it, we will put the flowers inside it and it's ready. Next we will make a cart like this. So first we will take a sticks and join them like this after cutting it from the between. Paste them and make a flip like this. Now fix its wheels, make it stand, handle and it's ready. Next we will be making a giant wheel. For that we will fix these sticks like this into small pieces together. Now make a stand. Now put the stick in the between. Now take the water bottle caps like this and fix them one by one using the glue gun as shown in the video. Fix these sticks in the between, paste all of them together like this and put the stick in the between and your cartwheel is ready. Next we will make a chair. For that you have to fix these sticks like this, cut them into small pieces and place them as shown in the video. Make its handrest, back and it's ready. Next we will make the buckets like this. Now first we will take the water bottle cap and paste the sticks around it like this to make the bucket. Now paste them using the glue gun, fix it. Now make one more as same. Now take a stick and fix this and it's ready. Next we will make a swing. For that we will take these sticks and make the triangle on both the sides. Fix them. Now we will make the swing. Now decorate it using the clays and your swing will be ready. I hope you liked it. Thanks for watching.